Hey guys, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we have breaking news from Google. We have discounts and deals for the summer, and it starts today. So if you have the latest phone and the software, you're cool. But if you don't, and you have the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and you have a Google Pixel 7 Pro, or you want to look to buy the latest Google Pixel 8 Pro or the Google Pixel 8a, whatever your fancy is, you're in luck. And they have an excellent slate of summer deals. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about that right now. So the first deal I wanna talk about are the deals for every single Google item on the website.
Hey guys, well, let's go ahead and get started talking about these wonderful summer sales. So I was just minding my own business on Sunday, and I found these sales for the following Google Pixel products. So once again, these sales, which are for the summer only, they end June the 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you do have some time from now until the 22nd, so about 20 days or so, as the recording of this video. All right, so let's talk about a couple of the sales. So let's talk about you getting $500 off on the Pixel Fold, and all of these deals can be found on the Google website. So these links will take you directly to the Google's website to where you can find these, and these deals are still showing up here. And let's start in Amazon and Best Buy. So you get all these discounts at all three locations. All right, so let's talk about the Google Pixel Fold. You get $500 off, and it's a retail price of, I believe it was $17.99. And you're getting about a $500 discount, which is here, and that's on both colors. And you get the same $500 off of the 512 gigs of storage. Okay. Now let's talk about what else you get. You get $250 off of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, making it $749, and that's across the board on Amazon and Best Buy. You get $150 off that Google Pixel 8. That's $549. It was off $150, but there was a best offer before at $200 off. So interesting. And then let's talk about the Google Pixel tablet. So you can get $80 off the Google Pixel tablet, making it $319. $100 off the 250 gigs variant, making it $400. And then let's talk about the watches. You can get a discounted about $100 for the regular Pixel watch, which is here, the first generation, out through locations. And you can get $60 off of the Watch 2, and even $80 off of the Watch 2 with LTE, and then $60 off the Google Pixel Buds Pro on Amazon, and $20 off the Google Pixel Buds A series, which is their budget-friendly buds. So you're getting discounts on pretty much all their products, making room for all the Google Pixel 9 and so forth models and things like that. But wait, there's more. Well, let's go ahead and let's highlight specifically the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the 8 Pro series. So you can go on the website, and there is a special deal for those who have the previous Pro version of the Google Pixel. Specifically, if you have the Google Pixel 6 Pro, you get a very good and generous trade-in offer when you purchase either the Google Pixel 8a, Google Pixel 8 Pro, or the Google Pixel 8. So let's go ahead and start with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So right now, with the $250 off, it starts at $749. However, when you trade in your Google Pixel, for instance, 6 Pro, and I got this one at 120 gigs, you get a whopping $400 off. In addition to the $250 discount, that's a $650 savings on a $1,000 phone, making the phone basically $350. But you want to see more? Let's see more. So I add the trade-in, as you can see, and I skip the insurance, and then I add it to cart. So this is what it's going to look like whenever you go to the website, add to the cart. You're going to see the $250 discount, and here's your estimated total, which is a $750 plus tax. But look at this trade-in. The estimated trade-in value for your Google Pixel 6 Pro, a 2-year-old phone, a soon-to-be 3-year-old phone, 3-generation-old phone, you're getting $400. What a deal. Like, if you can literally get this phone right now on eBay or wherever for about $200, and if you wanted to trade it in, you can literally get another discounted $200 in your trade-in in order for you to get $650 off of the new Google Pixel 8 Pro. That's amazing. And this doesn't just work on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It works on all generations of the Google Pixel 8 series. I mean, all versions of the Google Pixel 8. So you don't believe me? Let's find out. So let's go ahead and get to the Google Pixel 8. Let's see if that applies. So once again, I select 128. Then I get my trade-in estimate. And I use my Google Pixel 6 Pro, 128. Well, you do get $600 to $200 off, and you get that's about $250 off here. $150 off. So that is a $350 savings on a Google Pixel 8. So not quite as high as the Google Pixel Pro, but you still get a solid trade-in offer for your Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now let's look at the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So you get $270 off, and you get the $150 discount here, because the regular is $700. So you're still getting this phone at about $279, which is amazing. So they're definitely scaling up and scaling down based on the version you get. But hey, you're saying you want something even smaller and more compact, and you want the budget-friendly phone. It almost kind of eliminate that when you have this nice deal. I don't necessarily suggest you turn in your Google Pixel 6 Pro for the Google Pixel 8a, because it's kind of a downgrade in a sense. But, for giggles, let's just see what it's like. So once again, you have the price here. It looks like you get your $50 in store credit. And let's see what kind of trade-in do they give us for our Google Pixel 6 Pro. Because usually it's low, which is weird, but let's go ahead and check it out anyways. So you still are getting $127, which is not great, and I don't suggest you turn in your 6 Pro for 8A. And for giggles, let's see what the 7 Pro gets you. $185. Not sure that's worth it, but I think the bigger story here is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Well, and I didn't do the 7 Pro to show you the deal you're getting with that when you order this. So you bought the 7 Pro at $899, or you got it on a discount, wherever. You turn in that 7 Pro for an 8 Pro, and not only that, you get top dollar for your phone. You're getting $500. $500, let me repeat, $500 off, in addition to the $250 that you're getting on discount already. So you're going to pay $250 for a new phone when you trade in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Amazing. That's all I can say. Like, this is a no-brainer. And I believe this does not translate to Best Buy, because I tried it here and I said if it was in good condition. They're only giving me $135. And then if we go to Amazon, let's just go to Amazon here. So once again, I found this on 9 to 5 Google. They reported the news. So let's go to Amazon for the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and let's see what are they giving you for your Google Pixel 7 Pro. So here's, the current discount. As you can see, it's already been applied. And let's say let's see, is there a trade-in area? Well, I guess they don't necessarily have the trade-in for this. Let's see here. No, so it looks like the trade-in doesn't apply here, but you can still get the discount of $250 on Amazon. But like I said before, check out this sale, and I really seriously consider you should consider turning in your 6 Pro or your 7 Pro to get this kind of like once in a lifetime deal from Google. That's just
all right, guys. So here's my final word on these wonderful deals and discounts on Google Pixels and their products for the summer. So you have 20 days until you can take advantage of these wonderful deals. I think this is a perfect time for you to upgrade to the Google Pixel 8 Pro if you have a Google Pixel 7 Pro or a Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, as I mentioned before, with the Google 6 Pro, you get a whopping $400 back for this trade-in, which makes the entire cost of the Google Pixel 8 Pro $350. $350 to upgrade to the 8 Pro. It's a no-brainer. It's worth it. Even more so, you have the Google Pixel 7 Pro and you want to upgrade to the 8 Pro, you get $500 off this device alone. And you get an additional $250, making this phone based on its retail of $999, you get $250. You're paying $250 for a new Pixel Pro. And this is a phenomenal phone. As I reviewed in my channel before, this is excellent. And you should definitely look into that. Now, there are, as I mentioned before, they do have the trade-ins as well, but I don't suggest anybody trade in any of your pros for the Google Pixel 8a, just because, eventually this is going to go on discount as well. And I don't necessarily think it's as good of a phone as these two phones, the 7 Pro and the 6 Pro, but that's just my opinion. Unless you necessarily want to downgrade to, a bigger 6.7 inch phone to this 6.1 inch phone, I believe. So it's up to you. And once again, that discount does not apply, or the trade-in discount does not apply on the Google Pixel 8. This is only for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. I suggest you get it before the 22nd. I myself, turned in, this 6 Pro just because it's an older model and it won't be receiving any more Android updates other than security updates going forward. This one is going to get upgrades for Android all the way till next year, which is October of 2025. So you're still good with your 7 Pro, but you should definitely jump on this. And that's just my opinion. But thank you for stopping by the Julian Tech Review channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you already have 8 Pro or you plan on taking advantage of turning your 6 Pro or 7 Pro into an 8 Pro. That's just my opinion. You have a good day. Thanks.